On September 24th, 2024, a severe hailstorm battered the Oklahoma City metro area, leaving behind significant damage. The storm produced hail ranging from golf ball to baseball size, accompanied by winds of up to 80 miles per hour. Areas like Edmond and Quail Springs Mall were among the hardest hit, with hundreds of vehicles sustaining deep dents and shattered windshields, while many homes experienced serious roof damage. Total losses are estimated to be in the millions of dollars.
Oh my gosh. This is coming up on a minute. And it's been going for at least 10.
Videos shared by locals captured the intense scene, with many describing the hailstorm as insane and unlike anything they'd ever seen before. Residents have been urged to be cautious when choosing contractors for roof repairs as the city recovers from this devastating storm. Local authorities emphasize the importance of hiring licensed professionals to ensure quality work during the recovery process. Stay connected to our channel for daily updates on severe weather events like this and more from around the world.